Hey viewers, welcome to our channel. Today we learn standard 8 science unit 10 changes around this lesson la book back answer fullaவே இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்கலாம் ஓகேவா. First Roman choose the best answer. First one, burning of paper is a dash change. இங்க 4 ஆப்ஷன் கொடுத்திருக்காங்கமா, which answer correct? Answer B, chemical change. Chemical. ஓகேவா, answer B, chemical. Second one பாருங்க, burning of matchstick is an example for chemical reaction caused by dash. Answer A, contact in physical states. Next, third one, dash undergoes rusting. Answer D, iron. Fourth one, the pigment responsible for browning of apples is dash. Answer B, melanin. Next, fifth one, brine is a concentrated solution of dash. Answer B, sodium chloride. Next, sixth one, limestone contains dash mainly. Answer B, calcium carbonate. Next, seventh one, which of the following factor induces electrolysis? Answer C, electricity. Next, eighth one, in Haber's process of producing ammonia is used as a catalyst. Answer C, iron. Ninth one, dissolved gases like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides in rainwater causes dash. Answer A, acid rain. Next, 10th one, dash is or responsible for global warming. Answer, 4 option கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, which and answer D, carbon dioxide, methane, chlorofluorocarbons. Next, second Roman, fill in the blanks பார்க்கலாம். Second Roman, fill in the blanks. First one என்ன இருக்கு? Photosynthesis is a chemical reaction that take place in the presence of dash. Answer sunlight. Second one, iron objects undergo rusting when exposed to dash and dash. Answer water and oxygen. Next, third one, dash is the basic material to manufacture urea. Answer என்ன வரும்? ammonia. Fourth one, electrolysis of brine solution gives dash gases. Answer chlorine and hydrogen. Fifth one, dash is a chemical substance which alters the speed of a chemical reaction. Answer catalyst. Sixth one, dash is the enzyme responsible of browning of vegetables and fruits. Answer polyphenol oxidase or tyrosinase. Polyphenol oxidase or tyrosinase. Next, third Roman, say true or false. If false, correct the statement. பார்க்கலாமா? First one, a chemical reaction is a temporary reaction. Answer false. Correct statement, a chemical reaction is a permanent reaction. Next, second one, decomposition of lead nitrate is an example for a chemical reaction caused by light. Answer false. Correct statement, decomposition of lead nitrate is an example for a chemical reaction caused by heat. Next, third one, formation of slag lime from quicklime is an endothermic reaction. Answer false. Correct statement, formation of slag lime from quicklime is an exothermic reaction. Next, fourth one, CFC is a pollutant. Answer true. Next, fifth one, light energy may come out due to chemical reaction. Answer true. நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபோர்த் ரோமன், மேட்ச் த ஃபாலோவிங் பார்க்கலாமா? இங்கே கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. என்ன கொடுத்துரு? ரஸ்டிங், போட்டோசிந்தசிஸ், எலக்ட்ரோலைசிஸ், ஹேபர்ஸ் ப்ராசஸ், தெர்மோலைசிஸ், அயன், ஃபுட், பிரைன், கேட்டலைசிஸ், டீகம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் லைம்ஸ்டோன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதோட ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? ஓகே, இதாம ஆன்சர். ரஸ்டிங் அப்படிங்கிறது என்னது? ஆன்சர் என்ன ரஸ்டிங்க்கு? அயன். எலக்ட்ரோலைசிஸ் ஆன்சர் பிரைன். தெர்மோலைசிஸ் ஆன்சர் டீகம்போசிஷன் ஆஃப் லைம்ஸ்டோன். ஃபுட் ஆன்சர் போட்டோசிந்தசிஸ். Catalysis answer Haber's process. Next B பாருங்கம்மா. Spoilage, decomposition, ozone, biocatalyst, tarnishing, oxygen, yeast, chemical reaction, calcium oxide, food அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதுக்கு ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாம். ஓகே, ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாமா? Bக்கு spoilage, which answer correct? Food. Ozone, oxygen. Tarnishing, chemical reaction. Yeast biocatalyst, calcium oxide decomposition. இதான் இதோட answer. Okay, next answer briefly பார்க்கலாமா? 5th Roman answer briefly. First question. Define a chemical reaction. Define a chemical reaction. இதோட answer என்னது? A chemical changes or otherwise called as chemical reactions because one or more substance reactants undergo a reaction to form one or more new substances products. Reactants give products. Yes, இதான் இதோட answer. Next second question. Mention the various conditions required for a chemical reaction to occur. Answer என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? Chemical changes can take place in the following conditions. என்னென்ன conditions இருக்கு? Contact in physical states, solution of reactants, electricity, heat, light, catalyst. Next third question. Define catalysis. என்ன answer வந்து chemical substance which is used to speed up a chemical reaction is called as catalyst and the process is called catalysis. Chemical substance which is used to speed up a chemical reaction is called as catalyst and the process is called என்ன சொல்லிருக்கோம் catalysis. ஓகேவா, இதோட ஆன்சர். நெக்ஸ்ட் ஃபோர்த் ஒன் பார்க்கலாம். வாட் ஹேப்பன்ஸ் வென் ஆன் அயன் nail is placed in copper sulfate solution. ஆன்சர் என்னன்னு பார்க்கலாமா? ஓகே, when on iron nail is dipped in the solution of copper sulfate, copper is displaced by iron and forms ferrous sulfate. Thus the blue color of copper sulfate changes into green color because of formation of ferrous sulfate. Next fifth question. What is pollution? Answer unwanted change in the physical, chemical and biological properties of the environment. This is termed as pollution. Next sixth one. What is tarnishing? Give one example. Answer tarnishing of metal articles. Shiny metal surface and other articles lost their shiny appearance due to chemical reaction on the surface. For example, silver articles become black when exposed to atmospheric air. Similarly, brass vessels which contain copper as one of the constituents develop a greenish layer when exposed to air for a long time. This is due to a chemical reaction between copper and moist air to form basic copper carbonate and copper hydroxide. Okay, next seventh one. What happens to the brain during electrolysis? Answer. The concentrated solution of sodium chloride called brine is electrolyzed to produce chlorine and hydrogen gases along with sodium hydroxide. This is an important reaction to produce chlorine industrially. Next question, 8th one. On heating, calcium carbonate gives calcium oxide and oxygen. Is it on exothermic reaction or on endothermic reaction? Answer. Calcium carbonate gives calcium oxide and oxygen on heating is an endothermic reaction. Okay, next 9th question. What is the role of a catalyst in a chemical reaction? Answer. Some chemical substances are used to speed up chemical reactions. These substances are called catalysts. For example, metallic iron is used as a catalyst in the manufacture of ammonia using Haber's process. In Vanaspati ghee dalda preparation, finely divided nickel is used as a catalyst. Next 10th question. Why photosynthesis is a chemical reaction? Answer. Photosynthesis is a process in which light energy from the sun is used by the plants to prepare starch from carbon dioxide and water. The sunlight induces the chemical reaction between carbon dioxide and water, which finally ends up in the production of starch. Thus, chemical reaction induced by light are called as photochemical reactions. Next, answer in detail பார்க்கலாமா? First question. Explain the environmental effect of chemical reactions. Answer. Generally, there are three types of pollution visible: air, water and land pollution. Due to increasing human activities, lot of chemical substances are produced artificially which harm all the living and non-living things. Okay, இங்கே ஒரு டேப்லெட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. the types of chemical substance and their effects கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. உங்கள் புக்ஸ்லேயே பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இது இருக்கும். இந்த த்ரீ டைப்ஸ் பொல்யூஷன் என்னென்னு எழுதலாம். அதோட கெமிக்கல் சப்ஸ்டன்ஸ் அதோட எஃபெக்ட்ஸ் வந்து இந்த மாதிரி பாக்ஸ் போட்டு ரைட் பண்ணணும், டேப்லெட் காலம் போட்டு. ஃபஸ்ட்டு ஏர் பொல்யூஷன் வந்து என்னது? கார்பன் டை ஆக்சைடு, கார்பன் மோனாக்சைடு, ஆக்சைட்ஸ் ஆஃப் சல்ஃபர், oxides of nitrogen, chlorofluorocarbons, methane, etc. Effects in the acid rain, global warming, respiratory problems, etc. Next, water pollution. இதோட chemical substance என்னது? Waste water containing chemical substance. Example, dyeing industries, detergents, oil spillage, etc. இதோட effects வந்து decrease in the quality of water, skin diseases, etc. Next, land pollution வந்து பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா அதோட chemical substance வந்து fertilizers like urea, various pesticides, herbicides, solid waste, plastics, etc. இதோட effects பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா spoilage of land, cancer, respiratory diseases, etc. இது அதோட answer. Next, second question. Explain how food items are spoiled by chemical reactions. Answer. A spoilage of food and vegetables. Food spoilage may be defined as any change that causes food unfit for human consumption. The chemical reaction catalyzed by the enzymes result in the degradation of food quality in the form of development of bad states and odor deterioration and loss of nutrients. Next examples பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா என்னது? rotten eggs develop a bad smell due to formation of hydrogen sulfide gas, decaying of vegetables and fruits due to microbes. ஓகேவா? நெக்ஸ்ட் வந்து rancidity of fishes and meat பார்க்கலாம். Fishes and meat containing high levels of polyunsaturated fatty acids undergo oxidation. It causes bad odor when exposed to air or light. This process is called rancidity. Next, C வந்து apples and fruits turn brown when cut. Apples and some fruits turn brown due to chemical reaction with oxygen in air. This chemical reaction is called browning. The cells of apples, fruits and other vegetables contain an enzyme called polyphenol oxidase or tyrosinase. Next, when in contact with oxygen, it catalyzes a biochemical reaction in which the phenolic compounds present in plants become a brown pigment known as melanins. Okay, next third question பார்க்கலாமா? Explain any three conditions that is required for a chemical reaction to take place. Give example. Answer பார்க்கலாம். Chemical changes can take place in the following condition. என்ன condition? Contact in physical states, solution of reactants, electricity, heat, light, catalyst. இல்லை நம்ம 3 பார்க்கலாமா? First என்னது? Contact three conditions பார்க்கலாம். Contact in physical states பார்க்கலாம். First, many events in our daily life like burning of matchsticks on rubbing and iron materials turning into reddish brown. These changes are due to chemical reactions by contact in physical states. Combination of reactants in their naturally occurring states, solids, liquids, gases is referred as contact in physical states. Example பார்த்தோம் அப்படின்னா when quicklime calcium oxide to contact with water, it forms slack lime calcium hydroxide. Next, solution of reactants பார்க்கலாம். Next condition, when we mix two substance reactants in solution form, a chemical reaction takes place between them to form new substance products. For example, take small amount of solid silver nitrate and sodium chloride in a test tube. The reactants in solid state have no reaction. Now you dissolve the same reactants in water in a separate test tubes and mix both the solution. Silver nitrate solution reacts with sodium chloride solution to form a white precipitate of silver chloride and sodium nitrate solution. From the above reaction, we infer that some chemical reaction proceed only in solution form, not in solid form. Next condition, catalyst பார்க்கலாம். Chemical substance which is used to speed up a chemical reaction is called as catalyst, and the process is called catalysis. For example, metallic iron is used as a catalyst in the manufacture of ammonia using Haber's process. This ammonia is the basic material for the production of urea, an important fertilizer in agriculture. Next, 7th Roman, higher order thinking questions பார்க்கலாம். First question என்னதுன்னா, first question, explain the role of yeast in making cakes and buns in a bakery. Answer, yeast is a biocatalyst. Carbon dioxide is generated by the yeast as a result of the breakdown of fermentable sugars in the dough and makes cakes to rise. Next, second one, burning of fossil fuels is responsible for global warming. Justify the statement. Answer, the combustion of fossil fuels also releases a large amount of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas which is responsible for global warming. Next, third one, discuss how acid rain occurs due to emission of smoke from vehicles and industries. Answer, rain comes acidic in nature due to the presence of certain pollutants like sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide in the air released by vehicles and industries. Acid rain is caused by emissions of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide which react with the water molecules in the atmosphere. Next, fourth one, is rusting good for iron materials? Explain. Answer, no, rusting is not good for iron materials. Rust is a form of iron oxide. It occurs when iron combines with the oxygen in the air, causing it to corrode. Rust can affect iron and its alloys. It makes them weaker by replacing the strong iron with flaky powder. Next, do all the fruits and vegetables undergo browning? Explain. Answer, no, apples and some fruits turn brown due to chemical reaction with oxygen in air. This chemical reaction is called browning. The cells of apples, fruits and other vegetables contain on enzymes called polyphenol oxidase or tyrosinase. When in contact with oxygen, it catalyzes a biochemical reaction in which the phenolic compounds present in plants become a brown pigment known as melanins. Next, sixth question. Classify the following day-to-day activities based on chemical reactions by physical contact, solution of reactants, heat, light, electricity and catalyst. அதில் ஃபஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் என்னது, பர்னிங் ஆஃப் கிராக்கர்ஸ் டியூரிங் ஃபெஸ்டிவல்ஸ் என்ன வரும், இதிலேருந்து ஆன்சர் எடுத்து எழுதணுமா கொஸ்டின்ஸ்லேயே கொடுத்துருப்பாங்க. என்னென்ன கண்டிஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, ஃபிசிக்கல் கான்டாக்ட், சொல்யூஷன் ஆஃப் ரியாக்டன்ஸ், ஹீட், லைட், எலக்ட்ரிசிட்டி அண்ட் கேட்டலிஸ்ட் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. இதிலேருந்து நம்ம சூஸ் பண்ணி ரைட் பண்ணணும் இந்த கொஸ்டினுடைய ஆன்சரை. ஃபஸ்ட் ஒன் என்னது, பர்னிங் ஆஃப் கிராக்கர்ஸ் டியூரிங் ஃபெஸ்டிவல்ஸ்க்கு என்னது ஆன்சர், ஹீட். செகண்ட் ஒன், ஃபேடிங் ஆஃப் கலர்ட் கிளாத்ஸ் ஆன் ட்ரையிங் அண்டர் சன்லைட், ஆன்சர் லைட். தேர்ட் ஒன், குக்கிங் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ், ஆன்சர் ஹீட். Next, charging of batteries, answer electricity. Next, 8th Roman பார்க்கலாமா, value based questions பார்க்கலாம். First question என்ன கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, Kumar is going to build a house to purchase the iron rods requires for construction. He visited an iron and steel shop nearby. The seller showed him some iron rods which are fresh and good. He also showed him little older iron rods which are brownish in appearance. The price of fresh rods is more than the older ones. The seller also gave some offer to older ones. Kumar's friend Ramesh advised him not to buy the cheaper rods. ரெண்டு கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கேட்டிருக்காங்கம்மா, என்ன ஆன்சர் பார்க்கலாம். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் என்னது, இஸ் ரமேஷ் ரைட் இன் ஹிஸ் சஜஷன்? ஆன்சர், எஸ், ரமேஷ் ரைட் இன் ஹிஸ் சஜஷன். செகண்ட் கொஸ்டின் பாருங்கம்மா, would you explain the reason for his suggestion? The older rods brownish and they are rusting destroys the quality of the iron rods and harmful for construction. Next, third one பாருங்க, what are the values shown by Ramesh? Friendship, caring, awareness and responsibility. Next, second question ஒன்று கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, Palanikumar is a lawyer. He lives in a luxurious flat. Due to high rent, he wants to shift his residence to a place where he has a chemical industry nearby. There the rent is very cheap and the area is less polluted also. His son Rajashekhar, studying 8th, does not like this and like to go to some other place. இதோட கொஸ்டின்ஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்கம்மா. இஸ் ராஜசேகர் ரைட் இன் ஹிஸ் ஆட்டிடியூட்? ஆன்சர், எஸ், ராஜசேகர் இஸ் ரைட் இன் ஹிஸ் ஆட்டிடியூட். செகண்ட் ஒன் என்னது, why did he refuse to go there? Rajasekhar know that the air pollution from nearby chemical industry would be harmful and affect the health of his entire family. Next, last one, third question, what are the values shown by Rajasekhar? Environmental awareness, affection and care for his family. ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ், இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருந்துச்சுன்னா நம்ம சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.